Oh no, sir. Half only. I will, sir, due to the unexpected works in our company. I was unable to concentrate for past 1 week. I will uh,
Okay.
by Sunday. I
This
will.
is again I'm telling rise up is hot topic. Again I'm telling it is 100% interview question. The last question: what are the Z reports you worked on? That is a open interview question. Okay. They will ask whether you worked on Z reports. Okay. Open interview question. What about Shiva? Your side, Shiva,
Yes, sir. Prepared, sir.
prepared. Okay. So they are asking you question whether you worked on Z reports enhancements. What is your answer? Shiva, are you hearing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hearing, sir.
Okay.
Sir, the reports and all. I am also in a dilemma, sir. What to tell and all.
No, you tell something. That is what I told. Saturday, Sunday,
The
prepare and come.
report.
I told you. On the day you gave one example. Actually, what you told is good only last class. Equipment, okay, period wise cost. The cost is settled in KO update for the year. That is a good one only, actually. But maybe you can skip the period. But if you want, you can have period also. Jan to February. This is the cost. Okay. That is a valid one only, actually. Okay, and yeah, I also gave right like permits, open permits. I want a Z report. Okay, and breakdown happen last 10 days preventive happen. This and all you can tell right. What is the
Yes.
issue in that? Right?
Actually, our client is not 100% using SAP. Just they are using for date and times only.
That is okay, sir. But
I
you know
can't.
the process now.
Yes,
We had seen many process, shutdown process, permit we had seen, priority we had seen, bomb, okay, and the material consumption, MM duration, calibration, like that. You can take any example, a Z report, a requirement from the business. That's all. That is what I'm telling. I'm not telling from your company. You like material consumption every day. What is the material consumed each day? That also you can tell, right? That
yes,
no need from your organization, right?
yes.
That you can tell, right? Then what is the issue? Like that you tell anything, right? But it should not be in standard. That is what I'm telling. MCIA, wait. If you go here, but here you have equipment, sir. The equipment wise cost you told. But here you have equipment with period. I think this you cannot tell last class what you told because here equipment with the period is there in standard MCIE cost analysis.
Okay.
I think this because period also is here. Period also is there. Right. Then they will ask question why standard is there, why you are fitting or something it may come or what you can tell. I want the plan cost. Okay. Like that, maybe you can tell. Okay, maybe uh, uh, what you can tell. Like the differences between, yeah, plan cost is the cost which is not settled, right? So in the equipment, what are the costs which is not settled, which is in the planning phase? You are getting my point. Maybe
Yes.
you can tell that. Okay, general example. Even I gave example. Iqbal sir, what is going on your side? Iqbal G.
So, yeah, right.
Or
Z
as
report,
usual, Rome. As
Z report is nothing but the custom report which does not comes
that's
with the
all.
SAP of the
That's
box.
all.
So as per the
Absolutely.
business requirement, we can develop the Z report by using the help of a web developer, right?
Correct.
So
In the
any
interview, they will
custom
ask
report.
Z report. Tell me.
So yeah, so we can give any like any such what we are having in the currently in our uh, organization reports. We can explain
That
that.
is what you give and telling. It will be useful for others also. That is what tell we are asking you. If you have, you tell it will be useful for others also. You see, already I had given. Okay. If there is a equipment availability report. You can create a Z report. If the equipment deletion flag is not there and the equipment, if echo is not there, so equipment is available. Echo is done. Echo is done. There is no maintenance means equipment is available. Correct or not? Equipment, if we want to do maintenance or not, it is available or not. Full availability, how deletion flag should not be there in the equipment master, and there should not be any work order with the echo. Sorry, without echo. Without echo. Then the equipment is available. This also you can tell a Z report. And material consumption one day. This I told already. If you want, you can get a report for this. Okay. And yeah, even you can get a report, right? Order released last 3 days or 5 days. No activities done. That also you can take a report, right? Correct or not? Order release. Release means work can be started. After work started, but 5 days completed. No confirmation done or no goods movement done. You got my point? Getting me or not, everyone? In the means there is no actual cost. If there is no actual cost means nothing activity done. Then why the work is pending? Shiva, you are getting my point?
Yes, sir. Getting, sir.
Like this you can tell anything. Like this you can tell anything. That's what you think whatever you want you tell. That's now itself I given 5-7, right? Now itself I given 5-7. You can tell that also. You can tell that also. Order released. Okay. And actual work not done. How you can tell when there is no actual cost? For 1 week, for 5 days, more than 5 days. Not 1 day, for more than 3 days or 5 days. So that is a real factor. Manager want to know. Manager want to know what are the work order created, but work is not started. When actual cost is not there means work is not started. Then why there is delay? Why there is? From the release date. I am telling not from the order creation date. I am telling from the release date of the order. Getting my point? This is all you can tell Z reports. That's all. These are all Z reports. Actual work not done more than 3 days or 5 days. This is Z report. You can tell this also. This also example you can tell.
Sir,
Preventive
point
aid.
it is very good, I think so, sir. Because preventive done 3 days back, and if breakdown happens, need a report.
Preventive done 3 days back. If breakdown happens, need a report. What report output you will get? That is a question now. In the means today breakdown happen. Today breakdown happen. Last 3 days preventive is done or not. That is that way you should tell. You understand?
Yes, understood, sir.
You should, if today breakdown, if tomorrow breakdown happen, previous 3 days if preventive is done or not. Like that. Okay. And for that you can check in the work order. In the work order you have the person responsible, right? Person responsible field or something. A person who is the responsible person for this work. Correct. You can tell this guy, right? Person responsible is for the order. He is with this guy name. In the report, I want the person responsible guy name also. Like that you tell, that's it. This is what Z reports. Because this is a 100% interview question, I am again back to back, I am telling. Yeah, Iqbal, you can tell from your company any Z reports, development reports, Iqbal. If you have anything, you can tell. Iqbal.
Yeah, we have like related with the finance, like to track the how much cost has been incurred on that particular cost center, all the work order for one cost center, to get the details of all the work order which is belongs to particular work center or based on related with the contract.
Related with contract.
Yeah, like there is service contract with the vendor, and so all those work order which is created from this particular contract, you want to track the cost.
Only with respect to contract, you don't want others.
No, there are basically that report is having parameters. It could be based on contract or it could be based on the cost center.
With the period wise, with the, you can tell this also. You can tell I need a cost report with related to cost center.
Yes.
Cost center, with the cost center input, okay, I need the orders, okay, work orders, settlement done.
Yes.
He is
Yes.
telling contract, but we can tell in this way, work orders,
Yeah.
settlement done, cost report
Settlement done.
with cost center.
Yes.
Shiva, you told equipment, right? Instead of equipment with cost center, because cost center is also important field, right? In our process, cost center is very important, right? Everywhere, because through cost center only our cost is going to be captured, right? In the equipment FL, we are meeting cost center. That you can tell. Yeah, any other example, Dinesh, Iqbal, anything more, anything you would remember?
So, for example, for equipment reports, work order reports, IW38, in that IW38, the technical ID will not come, sir. That technical ID what we are giving in the equipment is not coming. But after the ABFP team implemented ZIW38, in that they included the technical ID. This is the correct or not?
Correct only, but what you are maintaining in technical ID? Correct. Your answer is correct.
Yeah,
Why
example
you want
equipment.
that? What is the important of that field?
Because for equipment number we are unable to remember, but we are giving the name for the each equipment. Example, motor 1, motor 2, motor 3, like this.
But no,
name
I
we are
agree.
giving.
No, I got you. But here you are not having the field. So you are telling, see, I got your point. You are telling I don't have equipment number, but with the technical incident number, I will track. You are telling. Am I right?
Yes.
So you are telling you will give the period. You will give the period. In the output, equipment and technical ID both will come. So with the equipment ID, I will track my cost. You are telling in the output of IW38 screen. You are telling, right? Am I right? What I'm telling, is it right? My understanding. Correct. That is what you're telling. Instead of equipment, you want your cost report with technical ID. Yeah, yeah, that you can tell. For that, you can tell MC8 or IW39, anything. IW39, what you want the cost from here? IW39, you want the cost from here or from this? You want the cost purpose or you want the orders created? That is what my question. From IW39, okay, correct. What you told is correct. Technical ID is your old legacy system. And in SAP equipment number I don't remember, but technical ID remember. So I need the technical ID with related reports. So you want your work order IW39 reports with respect to technical ID you're telling. Am I right? Correct?
Yes.
You can tell. You can tell. Orders created. I don't want with the equipment number. I want with technical ID. Yes, you can use the technical ID. See, what is legacy data? Anyone can tell me legacy data. Legacy
to be
data
converted from one system to another.
Absolutely, from non-SAP to SAP. So you told in technical ID only I will maintain the SAP related thing. So in the legacy means non-SAP like your Maximo, okay, or they are using any third-party tools. There, this one pump number 11 means if this is the name, this is what they are maintaining in the legacy. Okay, so this pump 11 will come and sit in your technical ID. So I don't want with the equipment number, I want with this. Yes, you can tell it, no problem. Yes, I want with the but here you need to check whether you have any field technical ID that we need to check. We should be very cautious when you are discussing reports, right? In case if the technical ID field is here, then we are stuck. That's what I'm telling.
Sir, can we say that measuring points for different equipments, can we see that in one report?
Measuring point for
Equipments. Suppose we have cooling towers. Daily we have to monitor temperatures. Some operator will enter the data. And we have to see that 4-5 equipments, 4-5 cooling towers in one report.
4-5 cooling towers.
Cooling towers temperature we have to see in one report.
See, here there is technical ID. You can tell this also. You can tell this also. You can tell. Oh, you are telling display, right? That you will get from your equipment master itself, right? Why you need a separate report? That you will get from your equipment master itself, right? Your equipment master will have all the measuring points. If you have your equipment number, you can track from your equipment itself, right?
No,
You are getting my point?
I don't want to go into every equipment and see it. I should have in a display of how orders are generated in the AW38.
See measurement document. Today what created? Okay, you can. But you will not get the input to equipment FL. Only the date. Only the date. If you have measuring point numbers, you can view the measuring point numbers. That is what your point, right? I don't want the equipment number with the measuring point. I want to track. Correct? Yes. You can tell it. I think you can tell it. But whatever you are telling, you should be cautious before telling.
Yes.
Sir, you have, sir, IEK 17 is there, sir. It is there in standard. What you're telling, if you have the measuring point number and if you give the date here, you will get the records.
Yes. We are having.
That's what I told you. If you are telling, you should be very cautious. It should not be in standard. That is what I'm checking. If you give the measuring point number, right, it without equipment number, you are getting here. Right?
Yes.
Technical ID you can tell. IW38 output I need with the technical ID. That is okay. A new field in the IW38 output. That is acceptable, but this is not acceptable because you have a standard report here. Already see, it is there. How we can tell? We can't tell. Here you will get the equipment number also. This you cannot tell. Here you have equipment number. You cannot tell this. You cannot tell this. Okay, equipment effect. So this is not possible. Correct, right? We have the equipment FL, you have the date, values, measuring point, measurement document numbers. Standard is there. Why you want? Question will come. You got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Or you can tell this way. You can tell this way. In the measuring point, you have a field target value. Remember? Target value. If it is not a counter.
Remember, sir.
So the target value, what is the target value? It is the average ideal value of your thing. If the measurement document is more than target value, I need to report. That is also valuable. For example, temperature.
It will be correct.
For example, temperature, speed, flow. You got my point, what I am telling?
Got it, sir.
If it is going only more than the target value, then I need to report. That is valuable.
Yes,
that you can tell.
Okay.
This you can tell. Correct, right? It is going out of the limit. Means above ideal it is going. Why I want a Z report? Yes, this is valuable, right? This is good point. This is a Z report. That's all. I had given 3-5 reports. Okay. Enough, right? Or
Enough.
you need? Okay. So if exceeding target value, 18 or HANA, this is compulsory integration. Again, I'm telling. If exceeding target value in IK02. If measurement document, okay, document if document, okay, exceeding target value in IK02. Okay, so now we have to discuss Z reports. Okay, equipment ZT code to create equipment. Yeah, this you told, I think so, right? ZT code to create equivalent FL together. In PDFs is there, but you cannot tell this if we are telling HANA. Remember, I think you only told this, right, Shiva? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But you cannot tell this in the HANA. Why? Why you cannot tell this example in HANA? Anyone?
There is already apps are there.
Absolutely. Your equipment FL is one app. What is the app name? Equipment FL, what is the app to create?
Create technical objects, sir.
Absolutely. You cannot tell this if it is a HANA. ECC only you can tell this. Okay. You cannot tell this for HANA. You can tell only for ECC. Got it what I'm telling? What you should tell, now I'm working in HANA, but my previous project was ECC. In that I worked like this. You got, that's what. Presence of mind is very important. In the interview, suddenly they will question, you are working in HANA, why you created? No, 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 it is not for this current project. I worked this development 2 years before. That is a ECC project. Got it, everyone. Presence of mind, very, very, very important. You should, at that time, you should try to manage. I'm telling that is very important. Presence of mind is very important in interview. Okay. So Z reports done to some level. Okay. So again, but Shiva, okay, you manage it, but still prepare some proper. Dinesh, you need to prepare. Iqbal, you can also prepare. Okay. Okay, we'll continue for today then. So we had seen some examples. Okay. So what are the FS? This already we went through FS document. Anyone? Anyone open the FS documents I had sent? Any questions on the FS document or how to handle FS? Any open questions? Actually, anyone have anything? Actually, this was in my project. This is in my project. What happened, right? In the sort field, in the equipment sort field, right? They maintain risk value, equipment RFL. Okay. In the this also, if you want, you can tell in the sort field they maintain risk value for all equipment risk 20, 25, and they created a Z table. Okay. In the Z table, if risk is 0 to 10, risk is 0 to 10, date will be today to risk is 0 to 10, right? So date from 20 days to 30 days. From today to take the 20th day. And the risk is 11 to 20. Okay. So it will be little early. The date will be a date. If today they are putting from today 15 days. So 23 means 3/8. The start date, work start date will be 8th to some 15 or something. You got my point? When the risk is more, the dates are coming high. Here, immediate. So work should be finished by 5 days. Like this. This was there in my project. This development was there in my project. If you want, you can tell this. This is also, if your wish. It's a Z table. There was a Z table for this. There it was in my project. Z table, Z risk. There, this data will be maintained. Risk value, what are the dates? That was there in my project. Okay. Okay, so this is FS requirement, benefit, logic, dependency, bad job, flowchart, testing, positive, negative testing, and I discussed on that and flowchart little we discussed, I think so, right? So okay, so flowchart, okay, dependency, like that you can manage, okay. So testing scenarios, roles and authorizations, if you want, you can put roles and authorizations means who and all can use this ZT code. ZT code. Now we are discussing Z report, right? Z report is what is that? It is a ZT code, right? It is a ZT code. So ZT code, who and all can work. That will be handled by roles and authorizations. Okay. If you want, you can tell roles and authorization. Okay. For the Z report, correct? Who can use it? Okay. And And that's what here, security and authorization. Okay. Yeah, technically is your this one logic. Okay. And this one screen output. If it is a input, output, what how the screen should be. Like if you are giving this input, output and what and all fields are going to come like that. Okay. So that is also you can tell. Okay. So this is a first. And then so Z reports you done. Development I already told on that day. Permit open, confirmation cannot be done. Okay. Or this I told. Equipment, task list. If I create order, automatically work order operation should copy it. Okay. And this I told now. This also you can tell. If it is a breakdown, when I am doing confirmation in IW41 screen, I need to attach the analysis document before finishing my work. This also you can tell one development. Okay. This also I told work order release, background print should be done. Okay. So this and all are developments. So developments and Z reports completed. Okay. Report and development are sharp paper, same FS everything. If you are changing any layout or data in the sharp paper, right? That is FS. That is FS. If you are changing anything here, okay, that should go through the FS process. That should go through the FS process. What I told now, I forgot, sir. Permit open. Permit open, right? What I told. Sharp paper, sharp paper. Okay. Sharp paper. Yes. If I'm changing any data in the output here, okay. If I'm changing anything here, that is a development. That is a development. Okay. Some error. Okay. So I think I showed on that day, right? Format on the day I showed, I think so. Okay. That is development. Okay. Same FS writing approval, development, the coding, people should write the coding and then testing UAT everything process. Workflow is mail triggering. I think today I think one good thing. Did you guys read this? Did you guys read this? See, reports. Okay, custom reports. Okay, technology they are using is above side. Example, sales area, inventory, or financial statements. Okay, interfaces we need to discuss now. Conversion. That is what LSM I need to do. We didn't complete in HANA LTMC. That we will discuss. Okay, and then yeah, that is about conversion. Enhancement we discussed now. So enhancement now we discussed, right? Like your this and all, like this operation, task list operation to be copied. And in IW41, if the breakdown, I need to attach RCR. So this and all can be done by BADI BAPIs. Okay. Actually, not BAPI, BADI. BAPI is interface that we'll discuss now. BAPI is for interface. Okay. BAPI is for interface. Okay. No need to tell in the entry, I'm telling for you. BADI can be used for this. BADI and user exist. Okay. BADI and user exist. With this, they will do the coding. Okay. They will do the coding. This BADI, BAPI. Okay. This one. So how to test a BAPI function module. Okay. So, okay, so T code is SC37. T code, yeah, functional module. Okay, every object will have a functional module. Every object will have a functional module. Okay, so for example, okay, create equipment. So equipment related update equipment, create equipment. Okay. So if you want to do any changes in the equipment, they may be doing with this function module, and we need to test this. We need to test this, test and execute. Okay. So you need to give the input and you need to execute and see if any development is done. This is called BAPI testing. Okay. So you need to give the equipment number here and you need to check the outputs here. Okay. This is called BAPI. Sorry, BADI function module. Okay. I'll send this document. They won't ask, but suddenly they may ask whether you have worked on BAPI. They may ask you. Okay. So here you need to give the equipment number, and if you execute, it will update. Equipment create. Okay. RFC means remote function call. That okay, interface that we'll discuss now. Okay. So this is about the BADI. Okay. BAPI is for interface. BAPI is for interface. Okay. This is about the BADI. This document I will send you. If you give the input, you will get the output. Okay. So testing purpose. Okay. So this is what BAPI. ABAP will help you. How to test this and all, they will help you. Okay. So this is about the BADI testing. I'll send this. Just you keep this. Okay. Just maybe you can go through. List of APC equipment RFL function location here. Okay. Dismantling equipment at FL. For this, there is a functional module. Okay. So you can test this way. If you are doing any changes, I'm telling, if you are doing any changes, you need to test in this way also. The programmer, ABAP people will be testing C functional location, equipment, date and time. Okay. So the RFC means remote function. Okay, I'll come there. Okay. So you need, if you give the FL or equipment number, it will execute and it will give output after they do the changes. That is called BADI BAP. Okay. And user exit. User exit, we discussed somewhere. Where we discussed? Anyone? Any clue? S mode, C mode. IMRC 001 condition based maintenance. They won't go this level, but just I'm telling. Okay. User exit IMRC 001 for the preventive. For the preventive. Okay, we discussed this in the preventive last. This is the topic. Condition or predictive based maintenance. Okay, this is only active then. Just IMRC. S mode not there. C mode, S mode was the first. Okay. That is what user exit. Okay, BADI, BAPI, and user exit will be used by the technical team to do some program changes or any developments. They will be using this back. Write this in a runout. suddenly they may ask whether you have done body mapping. It will be used for interfaces. You can do body mapping and user receipt, not just okay. And what other things? Yeah, workflow is nothing but mail triggering. Okay, workflow is mail triggering. Okay, any condition mail triggering, that is called workflow. Okay, so there will be workflow consultant for this. Okay, if breakdown notification created, mail should trigger. If permit is created, mail should trigger to the manager. Permit number with equipment number. That is called with a mail will be set up. Okay, mail body. Okay, so that the workflow consultant will be triggering it. Okay, so this is called workflow. Any questions on workflow? Anyone have any questions on workflow? T code SOST and STT code to maintain the mail address. No authorization. Very good. Okay, here that mail IDs will be set up. Here you can see recipient. Okay, then not we workflow consultant will do. Just I'm telling information purpose. Okay, so 1 second, open this. Okay, status sender recipient. Oh, just I want to see any. Yeah, see here, business partner. Okay, vendor account has been changed in BP, bank details like this. The mail will trigger. Okay, this is called workflow. They won't ask this T code. I'm just giving information purpose. SOST and this SOST and SOCT. Okay, that's all. They won't ask T code. What is workflow? They may ask. That's it. Nothing more to discuss. Okay, right. The last is interface. Okay, the last is the interface. So interface means if it is a bad day, they may come into here. Okay, and before that, here. Okay, so forms we discussed now. Printed documents. Okay, so smart form, adopt, that and all above. Okay, examples. Workflow we discussed now. Okay, improve efficiency, benefits. Okay, automate business process. Okay, like this approval flow. Okay, like that. Okay, and yeah, this is what. Okay, conversion you tell LSMW, LTMC. That's all. No need to tell any other. Interfaces we'll discuss now. Okay, RFC. RFC means remote function call. Okay, RFC means it's a remote function call. This is used first interface. What is interface? Interface means data transfer from SAP to non-SAP and non-SAP to SAP. This is called interface. Okay, SAP to non-SAP and non-SAP to SAP. This is called as interface. SAP to non-SAP. Non-SAP means any non-SAP tool. Okay. For example, okay, 1 second. So, for example, okay. So, some non-SAP system. Okay, master data is there. Equipment master will be sent to SAP. Okay, they are creating equipment in some other third-party system or some tab or something. Okay, from non-SAP system. This is coming inside to SAP. So it is called as inbound. And this is not only for HANA, this is for ECC also. Don't think only for HANA, this is for ECC also. Okay. So data coming inside SAP is called as inbound. And from SAP, maintenance orders, notification, BOM data, plan data, equipment number is going out to third-party system. Okay. There they are doing the confirmation. They are doing the goods movement. Again, data is coming inside. Coming inside means inbound. Going outside means outbound. This is called inbound or outbound. SAP means data transfer from SAP to non-SAP or non-SAP to SAP, anything. This is called interface. Okay. So data outbound means going outside from SAP to non-SAP, out of SAP, into SAP. Okay. Outbound and inbound. They may ask you. Okay. So not mandatory. IDOC is the famous. IDOC is one of the important intermediate document. Okay. IDOC means intermediate document. They will tell us IDOC. Okay. T code WE02. Okay. WE02 IDOC list. Okay. If you execute, okay, you can see this is the IDOC number. This is the IDOC number. If you double click, two types of you write in a handout. IDOC will have data record and status record. They won't ask this level, but even write in a handout. Okay, IDOC will have data record and status record. IDOC will have data record. You remember IDOC is a middle between SAP to non-SAP, non-SAP, SAP. Through IDOC, the data will transfer. You can see here data records. See some payment orders going. Okay. So date. This is 2024-09. This month only till tomorrow date is coming. Maybe date tomorrow date. Okay. So like this is in IDOC. Okay. This is IDOC. Here you can see outbox. Outbox means outbound data going outside. Inbound or outbound. This is important. You remember, forget this also data store, that also okay, but don't forget this. Inbound or outbound, I told, right? Data going outside that is important. Data going outside is outbound, data coming inside is inbound. Easy to remember. Easy to remember. Okay. IDOC means intermediate document. IDOC is created. IDOC will, for example, daily work order here, this scenario. Where is that? Where is it? One more sheet, right? Here, my maintenance order should go out means daily one IDOC will be created every day with the date and order number. And for notification, again, another IDOC may be. So that IDOC will be daily generated and data will go out, again it will come in. Not only IDOC, IDOC is one of the intermediate document. Like IDOC, there are many, like A11. Okay. Not much important, but yeah, if you have, it will be good. Okay. Mainly IDOC, they may ask whether you know outbound, inbound, or IDOC. Whether you worked on IDOC, they will ask. Whether you worked on IDOC or interfaces. This expected question. Maybe you tell I had not worked, but I have basic knowledge. Interfaces to data transfer from SAP to non-SAP, non-SAP to SAP. IDOC is one of the intermediate. IDOC is one of the middleware document for the data transfer. This if you know enough. Because don't tell you work, you have some basic knowledge, like that you manage. Got it? Enough, that is enough. That is enough. They won't go inside much, but just I am giving. So data transfer, SAP PAPO is a module itself. Process integration. Okay, through the transfer, data transfer will happen. Through IDOC, data transfer can happen. Through batch job, SM37 also data transfer can happen, or A11. Through A11 also data transfer can happen. Okay. Through A11 also, data transfer can happen. Okay. Data transfer can happen through A11 also. I worked once on this A11 related thing. That's all. IDOC, if you want, I will send this document. Okay. Just to go through. Okay. If you want, you go through this IDOC document. Just go through. What you should know, IDOC interface means whether you worked on interface, inbound, outbound. Interface means data transfer from SAP to non-SAP or non-SAP to SAP. That is called interface. For interface, IDOC is one of the intermediate or the middleware you can tell. Okay, inside SAP, IDOC will be created. This is a IDOC number. This is a IDOC number I showed right now. WE0 to WE80. Okay. You tell you have knowledge. That is enough. Don't tell you worked on this. Okay. So this is the IDOC number. This is the IDOC number. Double click it. This is the number. It is going out outbound. Okay. And this is the data. Here, this is the status. Whether IDOC is successfully passed or failed like that. Okay. And this is the data. Data will go like this. This is what IDOC and A11 are bad job. These are the middlewares through which data can go. And RFC remote function call through which data transfer will happen. RFC is a remote function call. Okay. Vishnu only, Praveen only. Okay. Where is our group? Yeah. Yeah, interface. Okay. So inbound data flows into SAP, outbound data flows out of SAP. IDOC. Okay. This is we discussed BAPI. Okay, programming interface. Okay. And RFC is enabled to transfer data. RFC is remote function call that is from the basis side, not from our side. Okay, they will activate. Yeah, that's all. That's all on the interface. That's all on the interface. Okay. So with this, we are finishing RISEFs. For everything, FS document mandatory. For anything, FS is mandatory. Anything. How the interface will happen, I had already explained here. Okay. I had already explained here. So yeah, that's all from the RISEF side. And today we have discussed some Z reports and some developments. One important point, when they are asking whether you worked on Z report, you should tell related to only report. Don't tell development. You are getting my point, Shiva, Dinesh, and everyone. If they are asking Z report, don't tell if the permit is open, confirmation should not be done. That is a process change. That is development. Shiva, Dinesh, Iqbal, you are getting my point. Z report means only report execution, no process change. Clear on that?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Z report and development, don't give wrong answers. For development, don't tell equipment today breakdown happened, last 3 days permit done. That is not a development. That is Z report development. So you need to be anyhow. Again, we'll discuss. I'll give 3-4 days. Not tomorrow, today. Tomorrow we have class. But you prepare this Z report and interface enhancement, you prepare. Interface little, that's all you want to know. But FS, what and all will be there, you should have knowledge. Okay. Reports and development. Okay, this you should have knowledge. Okay. What we discussed now, some 3-4 developments. And workflow means mail triggering. That's all, that is enough. Flow means mail triggering. Share paper, data change in the share paper. That's it. That's enough. That's all. That's all from the research. See, this 100% they will ask without having 3 or 4 Z reports or developers. Don't go to the interview. 99.99 expected interview question. And then before closing, they will be asking. Yes, I am done today. Let me know if you have any other questions. If not, I am okay for today. Any other doubts or questions? Are you guys prepared anything practically in the system? What are the reports? What are the reports in PM module? Reports? Anyone?
IH06FL, IH08 for equipment, CR05 work order, CT10
Work order.
work center, sir.
Ah,
CR05 work center, CT10 characteristics.
ah,
38 IW38 is for work orders.
ah,
28 is for notifications.
ah,
For task list IA09,
ah. Plan.
IP24.
Okay. Dinesh, what about any tables? Dinesh. Dinesh.
Yes, sir.
No, you are
FL4.
not well, or what is you are not feeling well, or
No, sir. Different in our company, new project was came assigned to me. For that, for the past 1 week, I cannot able to concentrate for this practice.
okay. Okay. What are the master data and PM module?
Class and characteristics.
Work center, class and characteristics,
Work center, class and characteristics.
CRT, FL, equipment,
BOM,
permits,
task list,
maintenance
maintenance plans, IP11 scheduling, catalog profiles,
Steps of a work order.
create, release, confirm, TECO, KOW settlement, complete business.
Types of maintenance plan.
A single cycle, performance based.
Types of plan.
single cycle plan,
Cycle,
strategy plan, multiple counter plan.
Types of bomb.
3 types: equipment, function, location, material.
Types of task list.
Equipment, FL, and general.
Organization structure of PM module. Where is your hand note? Client, company code, plant, maintenance plant, and planning plant. Okay.
Yes.
How to add resources in the work center?
So HRMS.
Okay. Some Fury apps.
Create maintenance.
No. Before that, which version you
Job.
work in HANA? This question may come. Version. Which version? ECC what version and HANA which version?
2022.
2022.
HANA.
No, sir. Till 2020. That is safe.
2020.
Till 2020 enough. Because 22 still more is there. They may you can tell, but 2020 enough. On the safer side, I'm telling. Okay, 2020 you can tell. I'm not telling no. And ECC.
6.0, sir.
Okay. And this one, I was asking something. Fury apps, some Fury apps.
create maintenance, confirm job, technical objects,
Correct. Correct. Notification, confirmation, and FL equipment you told. Correct only. For notification to create order, which app? From notification, if you have your notification about to create equipment, which app? Did you are you writing that in
Maintenance
the
planning
handout?
overview.
There you can do or find maintenance order app. Maintenance planning overview, good. That is a good app
Yes, sir.
actually.
That
There
is good app because we are having that PRs, POs, everything in
yes,
one,
many
only one
many.
application.
That is a
And
very good app.
there we can have a graphical representation of notifications and orders also. We can easily track
Yes,
that order.
yes.
Simply we
that
can
is
say that one order for 2-3 questions, sir.
one.
Just I am saying one simple app for many applications.
But you should know what are the application for. Everything don't tell that. You should be very clear.
You can say for
You got it.
PRs, POs, notifications, orders.
Order means in order what you are going to do. That is the question will come.
No, sir. Just
No, what you telling correct. Correct. In the order you can release the order. Unreleased order you can release there. Okay.
yes, sir.
And for the notification you can create order as you told. Like this, just in higher level touch it, not in depth. To
Okay.
at least some higher level. For orders, for notification you can create order. Okay. Order can be released. Okay. Like there's some basics. No need to go into depth. Like this, some 3-4 points. Okay. Some 3-4 points of the tab. Some 3-4 points. Not everything. No one can remember. But something try to, because we can't tell, right? Just get prepared. Just try to prepare in a little better way of playing. Just don't tell directly only order process. In order, what you are going to do, like that. For the thing, I can really for order confirm this one. Where is it? Like that, try to have some 3-4 points. Okay, and your work order creation, create maintenance order. Okay, and like that, still some apps, right? I had already covered. Okay, so remember that all. Okay, prepare apps, at least some 4 apps. Okay, some 4 apps. Okay, because this and all are expected question. That is what I'm telling. What are the apps you worked at? Okay, so just something. Okay, maintenance planning overview app. Report and repair malfunction app. That is for malfunction I told already. Okay, and the performance job app, that okay, confirm job telling, that is enough. If you don't know perform job, that's okay. And yeah, create order, change order. Okay, like this you remember some apps. Okay, fine then. Prepare, tomorrow we have class.